you see the essential parts of any C program. In this video, we will learn how to reverse the elements of an array. You know, an array contains many elements. Suppose, for example, an array contains 3 elements 1, 3, 5. Then the reverse means we have to make it 5, 3, 1 using C program. I have already uploaded a video, the previous video, in which I have typed a program which helps to reverse the elements of an array. But in this program, we will do the same thing, that is reversing the elements, but without swapping. We will do. Let us see how can we do this. I declare two variables n and I under the keyword int. This means that n and I will take integer values. Here n, I have taken n for the size and I for the index. Thereafter, obviously I have to show the user a message to enter the size. Size may be anything, 2, 3, 4. So we have to show the message. Enter the size. So the user will enter the size according to his desire, her desire, and to scan that value we will use a scanf function, and the value scanned by the C program is stored at an address. So for that we use ampersand n. Okay. Now we have the size. Now it is time to declare the array. I will declare two arrays of same size, because if you reverse elements of an array, then the size of the initial array and the reversed array remain the same. So for that I take two array of the same size. Here the other array is named B, the first is named as A, and the number inside here n. Same you see here n. This indicates that both arrays have same size. Now it is time to, but you must remember that this is our original array. We will take the elements, the values for this element, and we will transfer the values of this array into this, but in reverse order. This means that the first element of this original array will go at the end of this new array. Okay, I type enter function to show the user enter the elements, because so far I have scanned the size, not the elements. So now the elements will be scanned. Enter the elements. Okay. An array contains many elements with index number. So we use the for loop. Here index starts from 0, it goes up to n-1, means less than n, and index are in order 0, 1, 2, 3 to n-1. This means index increases by 1. So here will be I++. Thereafter we will use a scanf function again to scan the values for the elements. %d and here will be 1% AI. Now we have the values for the elements of the array A. Now we will transfer these values to B, the other array, but in reverse order. For that we have to use again the for loop. Here I will be equals to 0, I will be less than n, and I will be increased by 1 after each run, and here to transfer the values to B we type B I means if I is 0 then B I means B0, and it will get the value of the original array, the value that value of the original array which lies in the last element. So for that we type here n minus 1, this is the last element of A, and to run to for all array elements we here type minus I. Now if it is 0 then here will be B0, the first element of B, and here will be 0 means here inside will be n minus 1, the last element of A, so last value will be stored in the first one. If you take after first run I will be 2, so here will be 2 and here will be n minus 3. So second element of B will take the value of that value which lies in the second last of original array. In this way all the values opposite direction. Now we have reversed the array elements. Now it is time to show the user the result. For that I am copying this part because it is not wise to type same type of thing again and again. Here I have copied and I am going to paste that thing here, but there will be certainly a modification. Here will be printf function because to show the output we use printf function, and here will be B because we have transferred the values of A to B. Now to keep the elements of B at a distance we have to use \t. This will ensure that the distance between the two elements of B will be at a tab distance, will contain a tab distance. I think our program is ready. Now let us see the output. It is taking time. Okay, now you see the screen. Here it says enter the size. I am taking an array of size 5, so I placed 5 here and press the key enter. Now it says enter the elements. As I have inserted 5, so I have to enter 5 elements. Suppose you may take any 5 numbers, any 5 integers, but here I take 5 natural numbers, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, you see the last line here, you see the last line. This line is the output. This line is the output, and you see the numbers are in reverse direction. Initially 5 was at the end, now in the output it is at the beginning, and you see in the same way the remaining numbers. So our program is working well. I am going to repeat my statement again. The previous program was also to reverse the array elements, but in that I have used the swapping. But in this present program is also to swap the elements of an array, but here I have not used the swap thing. Okay, thanks.